Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your HP SPECTRE X360 isn't turning on. In case your device is not turning on completely, this is most probably caused by your device being discharged. You can always check whether it's powering by short pressing the power button, and it has the built-in LED indicator which will show you whether your device is starting at all. And if you don't see the LED indicator working, that means that your battery is most probably discharged, or in worst case it's disconnected from the motherboard for some reason. And to charge your device, I recommend using the original charger. Just plug it into the charging port on the right edge of your computer. Now here is the original charger, what it looks like, and you can also use USB-C ports for charging if you need to use a substitute. For example, if you don't have an original charger, or if you are using a substitute charger, make sure that it can provide your laptop with 135 watts, because this device has a dedicated graphics card which increases this laptop's power consumption. So yeah, you're gonna need a more powerful AC adapter than for most other laptops. And after giving your device some time for charging, just short press the power button. You will see the LED indicator. And if your device doesn't want to go into the system, you can short press the escape button until you enter the the startup menu. Then here you can press F2 to enter system diagnostics, and in this menu, using your arrow keys to navigate, enter to select, escape to go back, you can check basically everything on your device. So you can check hardware of your device and check whether something is wrong. I will show you how the best test looks like. So let's test the processor, for example. It's gonna be very quick. And as you can see, the processor passed its check. So you just have to do the same thing for memory, storage, power, system board, and yeah, those 5 first will be enough. And if something doesn't pass the test, then report it to HP customer support service. Now, if your device was recently exposed to any either extremely hot or a cold temperature, then you may want to simply keep it unplugged for up to 12 hours, depending on how hot or how cold the conditions were that your device was exposed to. And after that, start charging it and try turning it on after that time. If this doesn't help you, then definitely reach out to HP customer support service and notify them about your issue. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.